snowstorm. There's something going on and you need to be informed. Well, there's people everywhere, the parking lot's full, just like Armageddon when you're trying to find food. Both rich and poor, filling up their carts. I gotta get home before this thing starts, 'cause there's a hurricane coming. A hurricane coming. Yeah, there's a hurricane coming. People just trying to get home. When the winds blow wild and the skies turn dark, you wish you had a ticket for a Noah's Ark. The weatherman says it's a strong Cat 5. When it's all over, just wanna be alive, 'cause there's a hurricane coming. Yeah, a hurricane coming. Yeah, there's a hurricane coming. Hope it just leaves us alone. Yeah, there's a hurricane coming. Hope it just leaves us alone.